Hi, I'm Stuart. We're at Beaconsfield Golf Club, which is in Buckinghamshire, England. Probably the biggest thing is we've got 5 or 6 areas like this. That's always been cut with fly mows and strimmers. So yeah, this has literally taken 75% of that work in one go. Me and the lads who use it are genuinely excited because we can see what it does, and the guys who don't use it are excited because it's cutting down on, you know, areas like this that they'd spend many afternoons fly mowing, and I think the members have noticed a big difference because we're now taking areas that were unmaintained, long, deep, rough, and we're now taking them down to 1-inch grass. There isn't a person in the club who isn't happy. Once that time of year comes, October, November, when we stop cutting the grass, we'll just take the contour deck off and then we'll put the tough cut deck on, and we'll get into the woodland. Once we clear it out, we then need to maintain it, and the tough cut deck's ideal. Goes in and just eats everything up. The minute this machine stops cutting grass, it's going to get a trencher put on the front, and it's going to go straight out draining fairways. So the main reason for buying this was 12 months a year work. It just absolutely blows everything away in its market. There's nothing else like it.